Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, fellow humans. Today we'll be diving into the meanings of Al-Jaleel, the beautiful attribute of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Al-Jaleel is the Lord of majesty and might. His might, His greatness, His eternity bears no resemblance to any energy, matter or time. His essence, His attributes, His very existence are mighty and great. They are immeasurable in time, nor do they fit into any space. Yet He is here, everywhere, at all times. His knowledge is great. All is known to Him as He created all. His power is great. It encompasses all universes and each atom. His mercy is great. He forgives all. His generosity is limitless. His treasures inexhaustible. Whom should we respect, praise, love and obey but the mighty, the great, Al-Jaleel? Who is the mighty and the great? The one who is powerful, who is wise, who is generous, who is compassionate. Even someone who possessed one of these characteristics would be considered great. Allah is the owner and source of all attributes of greatness, known and unknown. He is the one who distributes specks of greatness to whatever and whomever He wishes in His creation. He is the owner of all good and perfection, the goal of all hopes. Existence, life, death, gain and loss, all are His will. The mind, the heart, the soul, the whole being of one who knows this is filled with His love and fear. Through loving Him, we also love the ones whom He loves, the ones who love Him, the ones who teach His words, and the words that they teach, all love is due to Him. Who is Abdul-Jaleel? Abdul-Jaleel is the person of perfect character. His feelings, thoughts and actions are in emulation of the Prophet ﷺ and in accordance with the Holy Quran, and therefore Allah has rewarded him with might. He casts fear into everyone's heart as Allah has given him a share of His majesty. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala cleanse our heart, the mirrors of our heart, with majesty. May Al-Jaleel be our guide. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.